A blinking green light on your Nintendo Switch dock usually means there's a communication problem between the dock, the console, or your TV. This issue is very common on Switch systems made between 2017 and 2023, and often appears after system updates, power interruptions, or temperature changes. The good news is that most blinking green light problems can be fixed at home with a few simple steps. Start with a basic reset. Remove the switch from the dock, unplug the dock's power cable, and wait 30 seconds. Plug the power cable back in, and wait until the dock shows a solid green light, then place the switch back in the dock. Next, check all connections. Try a different HDMI cable, preferably Nintendo certified. Switch to another HDMI port on your TV, and confirm the TV input and resolution are supported. Then verify the power supply. Always use the original Nintendo AC adapter 39W and inspect the USB-C connector for dust or damage. Test handheld charging. If it charges normally, the dock is likely the issue. If the problem continues, update the Switch system software, reset display settings to 1080p or 720p, and clean the USB-C port with compressed air. Make sure the dock has good airflow and isn't overheating.